Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna walk down St. Dominic's. We're on it already. Got some beautiful architecture right there. Those yellow buildings with the balconies. And now we're back where we were about 6 minutes ago. Lots of people coming all the way down from Sao Paulo ruins. Street and neighborhood. So St. Dominic's Church, that big yellow one right there. We're in busy St. Dominic's Street, and St. Dominic's is a little bit short, but there's a lot to see in here because it's so busy, especially with tourists. So St. Dominic's is this street right here, marking this dots right here, going all the way down to that church right down that way, and that's actually a plaza, but this is called a rua, which is a street. So we're going to walk in all these little tributaries all the way around here as well. We also have this space over that way. We have Say, which is to the right over here. We're also going to walk briefly into that space, and we're going to also go down our target street, which is São Domingos, to that church down that way. So we'll start here at the base of São Domingos Street, Rua de São Domingo. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So yeah, we got a busy street here today, and that's going to be our focus down that way. Before we even start down, let's just kind of show you, there's a lot of tour groups here. So you can see the guy at the water bottle right there, that's a tour group, he's leading somebody. That's Palha Street, which goes all the way up. I'm going to walk across another tour group. There we go. So they're all going up to Sao Paulo ruins. The one in red is another tour group. So we just got tons and tons of tour groups on this Saturday at the end of April. Our target is going to be directly down this way, which is St. Dominic Street. Before we go down, we're going to go up this way slightly. And I believe that this is also, I think this actually is St. Dominic Street as well. So we started in the middle. So in that case, I'm going to, we got Say over there. I'm going to just walk up here. I forgot, St. Dominic's actually starts up where these two trucks are at. So we'll walk up that way. And just to give you a little context, up at the top here there's a Portuguese bookstore. There's actually a consulate as well down at the end. And then we're going to walk back down down St. Dominic Street. Lots of people everywhere today. Okay, so over there's the Portuguese bookstore. Yeah, actually it says Rua São Dominic's over here too. So I think St. Dominic Street might actually go down a little bit. And then we're going to come back to our church. So I'm going to go down one side of the street, down to that crosswalk, then we'll come back. Another street called Pedro de Lasca da Silva starts, it's like this street as well. So I don't know if St. Dominic starts by the bookstore behind me, or if it comes all the way up here. We'll find out. Oh, it comes all the way up here. I see the sign over there. So St. Dominic Street is actually a very interesting street. So let me just kind of give you a little context of everything. This goes up into a nice quiet area of Macau. Verdades, Casada de Verdades. This one over here is Rua de Padre de Lasca da Silva, right where this old theater is at. And then Rua de São Domingos starts right there. You can see the sign. So we're gonna go across the street here. And then you can see the sign right there. Rua de Domingos. So St. Dominic Street starts right there. So I kind of started in that little spot where, kind of cool architecture right there too. So I started in that spot where it's, there's a motorcycle there that looked like they were turning in the middle of the street. Okay, so we're gonna walk down St. Dominic's. We're on it already. Got some beautiful architecture right there. Those yellow buildings with the balconies. And then we're gonna go by the Portuguese bookstore as well. Yeah, that looks cool. That looks nice. Okay. Yeah, you can see why a lot of people come to Macau and walk around and visit the city. It's not just casinos. And this is the Portuguese bookstore. Let me see, this guy's gonna come across here in a moment. Very cool. So that's the Portuguese bookstore. That's Rua de Domingos, and we are going to continue on down this way. Let's go down. Little shoe shop. Got some prime real estate on the corner. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking down. And this is all St. Dominic's. So, and then we also have a Say Cathedral. I'm just gonna highlight it real quick. I'm not gonna go down it. But this one goes up to Say Cathedral up there, and it continues on. That goes into a is that east or west? It's but this direction that we're walking here is south, so we're actually going in a southern direction. And now we're back where we were about 6 minutes ago. Lots of people coming all the way down from Sao Paulo ruins. Tour groups over there, and that's our sign, Domingos and Playa Paya. So St. Dominic Street. This is kind of casually go down, checking everything out. Nice architecture. Yeah, actually when the street lights come on later, this will look amazing. I filmed it not too long ago. I'm gonna attach it at the end, so if you want to capture that in the evening. I filmed St. Dominic's square. So let's go down to the church, which is kind of the whole focus of this street and neighborhood. So St. Dominic's Church, that big yellow one right there. No shortage of churches in Macau. There's our focus right there. Rua de Domingos. And now we're at the plaza, the square. We'll just kind of navigate through here real quick. And then this whole space goes into Sonata Square. And now we're going to get a nice angle of our church. Right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la porfidinha.